Hey guys, Assad here, and you're gonna learn about Math.clz32. So what it does, it returns the number of leading 0 bits in the 32-bit binary representation of the number. So what we're gonna do is log it on a console, use Math.clz32 method, and what we're gonna do, pass 1, so it will show maybe 32 1 because it has a nearest that. So yeah, if we do like so the way it does is, when we use like it has a 0, we need to give like 32 0. We it has maybe 32. So when we pass 1 of binary, it will show 31. And now what we're gonna do is, let me show you another. We will same as that, and we will pass 4. So binary of 4 is, here 1 and it's 0. When we do that and pass like 4, it will say 29 because we can see that it is in the 29th number. So what we're gonna do, paste 29. If we paste like 1000, and if we have like here and here, it will something like it will change the binary to the number. So 22. So that's it for today's video, guys. So see you guys in the next tutorial.